Bitcoin eyes $31,000 as gold offers bullish cues. London police unleash specialized 40-member unit to hunt down crypto criminals. WorldCoin to cease paying orb operators in USDC as early as November. Upland Game raises $7 million plans to launch Ethereum token. Texas data center pairs with Bitcoin mining. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Bitcoin gained over 10% in the last 7 trading sessions, the best weekly gains in 4 months, on hopes that the US SEC will approve BTC ETF, and Ripple's third win in a row against the regulator added to positive sentiments, analysts said. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading at 38,428, up by 2.85%. On Monday, BTC price climbed to nearly $31,000, close to highs not seen since July. Bitcoin was currently trading at $30,493, up by almost 2% in the last 24 hours. The Coinbase CLO said in a conversation with CNBC that the US cryptocurrency exchange is confident the applications to list the new spot BTC ETF offering would be approved by the US regulator. Market participants believe that in addition to geopolitical concerns, Bitcoin also needs to avoid macroeconomic data prints and events like the US Federal Reserve's interest rate announcement slated for November 1. In a positive development, investment banker Morgan Stanley believes that the crypto winter is about to end. The bank believes that the bull market may begin as early as the next year and that the fresh rise should be propelled by the April halving. According to Bloomberg, Grayscale and BlackRock have filed updated applications to launch a spot Bitcoin ETF. Ethereum was trading $1,680, up by 6.34% in the last 7 days. Binance BNB was also seen trading at $220.53, up by 3.58% in the last 7 days. Ripple's XRP was trading at $0.5337, up by almost 9% in the past week. The allegation against Chris Larsen, the co-founder of Ripple, and CEO Brad Garlinghouse have been voluntarily dismissed by the SEC. The General Counsel of Ripple Labs referred to the SEC's move as a surrender. Ripple secured its third victory against the SEC, but a significant trial is slated for April next year. Shiba Inu was up by 2.36% in the last 7 days. Shibarium, the popular meme coin's Layer 2 blockchain system, recently achieved a significant milestone by surpassing 3.5 million total transactions. Furthermore, there are now more wallet addresses than 1.25 million. Solana Sol was trading at $30.17, up by almost 33% in the past week. Cardano's ADA token was trading at $0.2648, up by 5.16% in the last 7 days. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $10.10, up by 6.46% in the last 7 days. Polygon Matic was trading up by 18% in the last 7 days to trade at $0.62. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading at $0.064, up over 7% in the past week. Polkadot was trading at $3.99, up by over 5% in the past week.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now, back to the headlines. In a decisive move to counter the escalating use of cryptocurrencies in criminal activities, London's Metropolitan Police established a 40-member team specializing in crypto investigations. The move comes as authorities express mounting concerns that digital currencies now play an endemic role in organized crime. Since its inception in May, the specialized squad has swiftly responded to 74 intelligence referrals, resulting in 19 active criminal investigations. This proactive approach reflects law enforcement's urgency in addressing the rising tide of crypto-related crimes. Recent statistics from a leading law firm, RPC, reveal a 41% surge in reported UK crypto fraud cases over the past year, amounting to a staggering £306 million. The stark increase underscores the urgent need for targeted efforts to combat crypto-enabled criminal activities. WorldCoin is set to begin paying its orb operators, those rewarded for scanning people's eyes, with its native WorldCoin token, phasing out USD coin as early as next month. According to an October 22nd announcement, WorldCoin says orb operators, independent ecosystem participants tasked with scanning people's irises in exchange for WLD tokens, will cease to be paid in USDC as of November. The change will affect most jurisdictions. WorldCoin said the move to pay orb operators entirely in WLD was part of a transitional phase following the official launch of the project on July 24th. On October 10th, the WorldCoin Foundation kicked off a pilot program to grant select operators with payment in WLD tokens. WLD reached an all-time high of $2.65 on July 27th before falling 63% to reach as low as $0.97 on September 13th. It is currently changing hands at $1.64 according to data from TradingView. Upland, a blockchain real estate collecting and trading game, has raised $7 million in a Series A extension round led by EOS Network Ventures. The funds will be used to add more features to the game, enhance marketing efforts, enable third-party developers tools, and launch an Ethereum token tied to its current in-game utility token. Upland currently has over 3 million registered players and plans to expand its geographic reach. The company believes that the concept of the Metaverse is still alive and well, despite the recent decrease in buzz. Applied Digital, a blockchain and artificial intelligence infrastructure provider, has opened its new 200-megawatt data center in Garden City, Texas. The facility marks the company's third blockchain hosting facility to go live in North America. Applied Digital is turning its focus away from Bitcoin mining and towards high-performance computing, another energy-intensive service supporting the AI industry. Like mining, HPC requires access to large data centers, cooling systems, and cheap energy to operate profitably. Applied Digital stock, which trades on the Nasdaq under the APLD ticker, fell 5.3% on Friday. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have a Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has seen a significant surge in whale activity in the past 48 hours, with over 4.52 trillion tokens flowing into major holders' wallets. This has led to a 23,000% increase in the rate of SHIB tokens flowing into their wallets. However, a substantial outflow of SHIB tokens from the same addresses has been observed, decreasing to 29.13 billion SHIB. Analysts believe that major holders are amassing SHIB tokens on an unprecedented scale, while the outflow from other wallets is decreasing. This raises speculation about a significant SHIB price rally in the near future. However, today, Shiba Inu was trading at 2.34% up in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Floki. Floki, a meme coin, is set to announce its significant announcement on 27th October 2023. The altcoin's price has surged by 17.22% over the past 24 hours, pushing its weekly performance to 35.71%. The altcoin's 24-hour trading volume also surged by over 260% during the same period, indicating a surge in the cryptocurrency community's anticipation for the announcement. The altcoin's price has pushed its weekly performance into the green, indicating a strong market trend. Floki Inu was trading up 16.02% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV is a peer-to-peer electronic cash system which has experienced a significant 64% increase in value following its inclusion in Binance's futures trading options. After splitting from Bitcoin Cash in late 2018, BSV is now trading at $54.02, up from $34.08 a week earlier. At September 27th, BSV reached a peak of over $58 on prominent spot markets, marking a significant increase of over 90% since its surge. The crypto's previous bull run reached an all-time high of $491.64, but the market crashed, sending the coin tumbling more than 95%. Following rumors of the adoption of Bitcoin ETF, BSV's price has begun to move bullishly, currently trading at 89.19% discount to its previous all-time high. However, today, Bitcoin SV was trading at $52.70, near 5% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Chainlink. Chainlink has risen to one of the top performers in crypto market after a week dominated by Bitcoin. The token's price surged by over 22% in the last 24 hours, surpassing the $9 mark and reaching a multi-month high. Chainlink has risen by nearly 30% in the last 7 days. Crypto Trader Mags and several analysts noted that Chainlink's price has broken out of a consolidation wedge spanning over a year. They suggested that a close above $8.2 on the weekly time frame will see the link price rise to $12.54, a 30% projection from its current price point. This highlights the volatile nature of the crypto market. However, today, Chainlink was trading at $10.084, up near 14%. Next on the list, we have Solana. Solana's total assets locked has reached a new yearly high of around $350 million, according to data from DeFi Llama. This growth is attributed to the Solana DeFi sector's 12.2% growth in the last 24 hours, making the network the top gainer among the top 10 chains by TVL during the reporting period. This growth follows a year-long trend, with Solana's TVL increasing by over 40% from January 1st, reaching $210.47 million. The increasing TVL is attributed to the influx of investors and interest generated by Solana's DeFi ecosystem. The network has established numerous partnerships within the cryptocurrency industry and traditional sectors, including this year's collaboration with Visa and Shopify. However, Solana's current TVL remains below its all-time high of over $10 billion recorded during the bull run of 2021. Solana was trading at $31.10, up near 4% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.